Okay.
Sex. 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 Sex.
Are you enjoying it?
Sex. I'm loving it. Sex.
Loudest.
Sex. I didn't know I'm coming back.
You're
हो
coming
गया.
back.
I love
Your biggest misconception about sex?
I guess it's that when the time comes, you'll know what to do, but you actually don't know what to do.
That it's supposed to be with just one person. not at the same time with one person only, but like I thought
Well,
we just
that
like just the
depends.
one. Yeah, no, I haven't had threesomes yet.
Okay. Yet.
that you can get pregnant with just kissing. Okay, not about sex, but yeah.
And then you became a doctor.
With clothes on also it can be done.
With clothes all on also. But I think it can be done with clothes on also.
Yeah? Okay, I don't know.
What do you want
Be
to
more
ask girls?
open about it.
Like what? What do you want to ask girls about sex?
Just random things about sex, like for starters, if they want to do it.
Right
In
now,
Russia, in Russia, they have an official day called the boob touch day. People go around touching boobs.
like anyone's.
Yeah.
The vagina is like a girl is a slut if a vagina is loose. That's an actual misconception people have. They're like, oh, if the vagina is loose, it means she has a lot of sex. And I mean, when a woman gets excited, that's when her vagina gets loose. It's for like proper penetration. It doesn't mean she has a lot of sex. Frankly, you're doing it wrong if she's still tight when you're having sex with her.
So much knowledge I'm getting now.
It's going to be easy. I mean, I don't know.
I think all of us weirdly overrate it. Like at least virgins do. I mean, it's like the end goal kind of thingy. So you'd imagine like
And then हो गया फिर life के बाद.
हाँ उसके बाद तो जितने बार करो अच्छी बात है. Like वैसा situation हो जाएगा.
I don't know. Maybe it's gonna be good the first time.
I've heard so many different versions of how sex occurs, from like back to back, upside down.
It's immoral if it's not marital. Someone told me you're going to Manipal, you're definitely going to have it.
It's a long process. Scientifically, literature I have studied says it's not.
Or you have done paper reviews.
Yeah. I have read a lot of
Summarize.
papers on it. Yes.
Someone told me that if we'll have sex with 3 people, and then we have high chances that we'll have AIDS. Yeah.
So I was in first grade and my parents told me, we never did it, why should you do it?
When I was kid, I actually didn't know how.
Babies are born.
So I was like, they tie Mangal Sutra and come out.
Casual fling sex or long relationship sex?
I guess either would work if the situation arises.
Whatever floats your boat. Depends on the person.
Floats your what?
Boat.
Sex is about trust.
क्या dialogue मार रही है? It's a taboo. Sex is about trust.
Yeah, it's about trust.
I don't see bad about casual sex, but if you're in a relationship, you shouldn't go for casual sex.
Obviously, but casual sex.
Long term.
Casual sex would be fun.
Yeah. Obviously, if you're going up to random strangers and asking them if you want to have sex.
I would want to do that.
If you go to DT now as well.
Have you done that?
No, I haven't.
Have you? No. Have you? Go up to
pretty
random
sure you
girls
have.
and say no.
You haven't?
No. I'm a very sushil ladka. Okay.
Long-term relationship sex.
Always.
Casual.
Casual. Such a hooker. Oh, okay.
Relationship.
That's he's saying that because he's in a relationship. So see, there's no other reason for that.
What's your girlfriend's name?
Tanushka.
Tanushka.
No, see, because it's.
Does she own Tanushka?
Sorry? No. First you get to know that person, and then when you have sex, that's when you know that, okay, yeah, that's the right
You're
one.
all in with Sam?
Second
Sam.
That's
How
when
long
you-
has it been?
For me, 8 months right now.
Relationship sex. I mean, when I am in
दिख रहा है relationship में है तो?
Hanji. So I think that when I'm getting intimate with the guy, I really want the guy to look into my eyes with that
वो
love.
casually भी देखेगा?
नहीं देखेगा. And I want that guy to be that. I don't want the guy to walk off the next morning and not reply.
You want him to
my
make
messages.
breakfast for you? Or?
Yes, definitely. I'd love that.
Worst thing about sex?
Like the societal taboo.
The worst part about sex would be probably fertilization of the egg, which
Is when you're done and you got to look at the other person with, it's like self-loathing and disgust, or like,
think about the
What kind of sex are you into?
You don't need to know. It's not something I want to discuss.
Self-loathing.
I think it's also because of porn, how much it idealizes sex. I don't think it's like that.
And it gets over so fast.
Talk about yourself.
Okay.
Cleaning up.
Probably the first time.
Complications afterwards.
That's a very guy answer. Thank you.
No, actually. Yeah, I also meant like pregnancy complication.
See, you miss your period, but you're not pregnant. It comes a little late.
If you nut very very fast, and like she's like, "Kya hua? 2 seconds ही हुआ है." That'd be pretty sad.
2 seconds.
It takes your time. I mean, like, time is very precious element.
Time is very precious. That's a master's student talking to you. So if you ever want to pursue masters, you should know time is very precious for you.
Worst thing, I think.
Lasting. It should be lasting.
The worst thing क्या हुआ इसमें?
If it's not lasting.
For me, I think after sex, you don't want to cuddle. You're like, just go away.
There should be more women like her.
Yeah.
You shouldn't talk. The girls shouldn't talk.
They should.
Boys
Need sleep.
Yeah, they need sleep. They need rest.
Yeah, the climax is of course called climax because it's done. Like,
It's done.
shut up. Like, go in.
She did not participate.
That's rape.
That's me.
If it's not good enough for either of them.
I think the stamina or something you require for it. It's tiring.
It's tiring.
When they assume things.
Buddy.
No, it's like we start talking. And before I even say something,
she already has a picture in her head. Like all this must have happened, but that hasn't happened. And then I need to convince her on that. Again, that didn't happen. And then while going through that, something else happens.
This happens every day?
no, not every day. Only like sometimes.
Does it happen once in a month? Once in 4 weeks? Are you getting my point?
Yeah. It happens.
तू
One month,
पिटने वाला
once
है
in
बे।
a one thing.
तू पिटने वाला है। What turns you on the most? In a guy? In a guy? In a guy? Nah? In a girl? In a guy? In a girl? I like how she's never said no to the girl part, huh? Like, ये guy no, girl yes, girl, guy.
She should be into me. Like that's main prerequisite number 1.
You can't just do it anywhere.
What? What's the best thing about sex according to you?
Best thing about sex?
No, I like the ending.
You mean the climax maybe, not the ending, right?
Yeah, exactly, the climax.
It's good for your
Ladies,
body.
it makes your skin glow.
Making love. It happens.
It happened.
And the foreplay.
The foreplay.
Like how you gradually go. Forehead till the toe, like how you go.
After sex, cuddling. Yeah.
So while having sex, मतलब I believe so कि इंसान फिर कुछ और नहीं सोचता. He is into that moment of बस सिर्फ वही
सारे problems gone.
सारे problems एक बार में सारे समस्याओं का समाधान.
Now when you're having it, no one really cares whether you're using a condom or not. When I had sex, like she was like when it started, she was like, okay, fine, we have to be careful, like this, like that. And then suddenly she's like, oh fuck it, just put it in. I'm like, I don't have a condom. She's like, fuck it, put it in.
Heat of the moment.
Yeah, that's what she said. But then I said,
So that's a bad thing.
no, but then that's the thing. No, it's being spontaneous.
The orgasm, obviously.
It releases stress.
That's the guy's answer.
It's sex.
It's sex. Sex. That's all. Nothing else.
What's bad about it? There's nothing bad about it. It's good. It's healthy. If you don't work out, you can do it.
But what if you work out and do it?
Post workout. Obviously.
I think I'm more of a romantic person, so I like the love, like physical love.
It's entertaining.
Entertainment.
The confidence boost the next day.
Oh.
The swag walk, yeah.
The swag walk.